This one I get you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man with the jabata. What's it go? Jiwago, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Jiwago, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to get to my plenty survive. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? Jiwago, all the men, they can say, ride the boat, I go feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Jiwago, all the men, they can ride the boat, I know different things that moving in schemes and packaging. In our night for shows, I'm juggling flow like the ocean. My coat, I'm paddling. Shout out, she not better than my bro. My family, frozen streets. When it comes to money, I concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one time, I know one time, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? Jiwago, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I go feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Jiwago, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I go feet, oh now.
Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025. I wish you guys nothing but the best of blessings in your new year. May you gracefully be carried throughout the year, and may everything go well, and may all your dreams be fulfilled. Anyways, guys, we are about to head home to Pietermaritzburg. I was just making trifle, as you saw earlier, but I didn't want to show you the assembly of the trifle because I feel like I already did that in the previous video when I was still at Bizana. So I decided that I'm gonna bring trifle and ice cream for dessert. We're just gonna be having a big family lunch, and I'm so excited. I've missed my family so much. I can't wait to see them. So yeah, we're about to head out, and I'm gonna take you guys along. So let's go. Boys and little girl, niyafila guys. Kade ngangicina phela ngisanazi. Nazi nabahle, kade nidlala. Kade nenzani? Dlala hide and seek. Oh wow. Nikuningi. Oh, ngaze ngajabula ke guys, ngiyanithanda ke niyazi. Okay, I love you. Ngiyangishutha bo. Sewamuhle kuleyo outfit. Hello. Wasiwamuhle aphe.
Thank you, cousin.
Wasiwamuhle. Ngani ngayithanda rice lakho. Lazi rice. Uma ubhizi la nekhoso. Uma ubhizi nekhoso lo. Awukoloso. Emvula.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I can't so.
Okay, let's open and see.
For what you give, not who you are. If you leave for me.
Wow.
God, just tell me what you mean for me. It's the Holy Spirit still in me.
Okay, asivule kuswede.
God, I'm asking you for
Nathi sibadala ukuthi uthanda abantu.
God told me
Wow. uzowaphimisela uma ungawathatha.
No, I'm a child.
Siziphiwe and Lisa girl, are you happy? Yay! Athi siwubane kuswideni ukusunjani? Ayibo Jesu. And Tabekel. Wow. Is that? Unjan, let's see. Wow. Unjan. Taste it. How is it, easy boys?
And me, auntie.
And sis will say. You don't like it? And sis will say.
God, you call me by my name. You give me, I just can't deny. No longer
You don't like
I
it?
can see you.
Easy. Why you got
On
wipe?
my way to meet you.
How was it?
We gotta talk, you know.
It was good.
All these tries
Yeah, I'm so happy. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the biscuits. Now, when you're done with the sweets. Okay, righto.
God, I need you.
Wow.
That's when I need you. Told me I'm
1 4. Hey, boss. 1 4. Siwe. Yay. 1 4. Little girl. Anjani, the guys, take care.
I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to God.
Bravo, auntie.
Go see your love again. I give
1
my
4.
heart
Auntie,
again.
auntie, ufuna ukwenza ukudla kuqala.
Show me well. I feel invisible.
Ufuna ukulibeka la eduze kwakho, auntie.
I can't
Bravo, auntie.
break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the
Say so, Naba, say.
God told me I'm someone, told me I'm
Happy New Year!
someone.
Aulo sisi lo yena.
No, I'm a child of God.
Hey guys, we're back from Maritzburg. We are so tired. Guys. It's literally been 2 days of activities. Mine just looks yabiyoza. Last night it was New Year's Eve. We were here with friends. Today we were in Maritzburg the whole day with family. Yo, aibo guys, gig. Kukhasalegile, but what a beautiful way to spend the first day of the new year. I'm so happy. It felt so good being with my family. I haven't seen them in a while, so nje, that's good. Especially because the last time sihlangene, it wasn't a good occasion, given the loss that we had in our family. So it just felt so good to be together for something good and enjoyable, So I'm so grateful for that. Grateful that literally the first day of the year I got to spend with them. That means so much to me. Guys, sikhathele, ngicela ukulala. Good night, sini my ngiyanisanda, sube sibonane futhi. Good night.